Another round of COVID booster shots are expected in mid-September, and that is welcome news for families.
Yeah, this comes on the heels of the CDC reporting an upward trend of COVID cases in recent weeks. News Channel 8's Lenny Supal is joining us live in Tampa tonight with more on this story. Lenny, what are doctors saying about this latest CDC report?
Good evening, Keith and Jen. Well, they say that back to season could be the culprit because anytime there's a large group of people, that's when cases tend to climb. And tonight we are hearing from parents about their concerns and what they're noticing in the classroom this week. COVID cases are climbing, and that has doctors sending a message to the community to stay vigilant.
We're seeing people who are coming down with just normal symptoms, flu-like symptoms with the fever, having the cough, and when they do take usually a home test or go see their doctor, they're testing positive for COVID.
Dr. Tracy Thompson is a primary care physician in Tampa and says new COVID booster shots are on the horizon.
For those who are ready and due for a booster, I would encourage you to wait for the one that is coming out soon in middle September. Pregnant moms should be the ones, in terms of our highest priority to get vaccinated against for COVID with the booster.
Right now, University of South Florida Student Health Services reporting a subtle increase in COVID cases as students return to the classroom this week. So what have you noticed in your grandson's classroom?
Starting at the beginning of this week, he believes 6 children were missing on Monday. And he said by Wednesday, 4 were missing, and he does not believe they returned. I've heard there's been an uptick. I don't have any answers to that.
We have made it through. I mean, it was some very dark times in the past couple of years. But I think that, with close to 70% of all of the, United States being at least received the first boost, the first shot of COVID, that we can make it through.
And so tonight we did check in with the CDC. They say that Hillsborough County, Pinellas County, as well as Sarasota counties are at a level medium, which means that people who are at a high risk of getting sick should wear a high quality mask inside. And also those who are around them should consider getting a COVID test. Reporting live in Tampa tonight, Lenny Supal, 8 on your side.
Thank you, Lenny.